Hey everybody, so I was at the grocery store yesterday buying kale and the cashier was like thinking it was so gross and stuff, and I thought as I'm making this salad, I wonder how many other people think that kale is gross. Get kale leaves like this and don't eat the stems because they're rough. So you get the leaf, and the trick to it is it looks like this, but Martha, come in closer. When it's ready, what you do is you bruise it. And when you bruise it by smashing it and rolling it, what it does is it softens it and it like brings the juices to the top so that after it's bruised, it's soft. See how it's really soft? And this is really not soft. So if you're gonna make a salad, it's better. There's good, better, best, right? People think that kale is gross because they don't bruise it. When you bruise it, it makes a better salad. And then when you put your salad dressing, this is homemade salad dressing, equal parts lemon juice and maple syrup and olive oil. And you've got your healthy fats, you've got some carbs in this, and you've got carbs in this, and then to the salad, we are going to add more healthy fats with avocado and protein in hemp seeds and more healthy fats in sunflower seeds. And so we're going to dress it up, and yes, there is natural sugars in this, but if this natural sugar gets you to eat this, which is full of vitamins and minerals and tons of fiber, which is really good for you. So fiber, it's non-digestible carb, but it does not spike your insulin. So what it does is it adds bulk to your food, so your stomach registers that you've eaten, and then it also, because it's non-digestible, what it does is it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and it also, again, adds bulk, and then you've got water, and so you don't eat as much, but you get full faster, and it's super low in calories. Like, I think there's like 10 calories to like 10 cups. Okay, that's a little bit exaggerated, but there's like hardly any calories because it's mostly fiber, but there's also vitamins and minerals and beautiful things, which vitamin K is a mineral or a vitamin that can only be assimilated when you add fat. So when you add avocado and olive oil and different seeds and nuts to your salads, it helps your body assimilate the vitamin K, which by itself can't be assimilated. So, but yeah, the trick to kale, and then you can put any kind of dressing. Most of the time I do fruit, like raspberries, blueberries, strawberry, and nuts and seeds in this type of a salad because it's beautiful to have something sweet with this kind of a salad. It just adds a bunch of texture and flavors. But yeah, just bruise your kale. You can do it by crunching it, rolling it. Yeah, so if you're gonna have kale salad, that's the trick. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.